Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. Today I got a different video. I'm gonna show you how I do a wash and go on my curl friend Jessica. Jessica's hair type is 4B and she told me that she never did a wash and go before because she thinks that the wash and go is not made for her hair type. So I accepted the challenge and did my wash and go method on Jessica's hair. So what I can tell is that her hair is healthy. I'm not a hairdresser, but I've seen unhealthy hair and Jessica's hair seems healthy. But it definitely needs water and water. I start with shampoo. I use the Hydrating Detangling shampoo by KeraCare. So her hair is been freshly shampooed and now I make 4 sections. I make smaller sections, it's much easier to work with, and then I apply the deep moisturizing mask. And I use a good amount. And now I'm not really finger detangling but kinda separating the hair. I detangle the hair with a wide tooth comb and start at the ends and then work my way up. Vol met je hand?
Ja, tot zacht.
Ja?
Ja, tot zacht. Maar die kan makkelijk doorheen.
Now that every strand is covered with a mask, I'm gonna put her under the steamer. I just make sure that her hair is up because the ends are the driest part of the hair and that's the part you wanna get steamed. After steaming, I rinse the hair with water without any shampoo or conditioner. On to styling, I use the defining Custart. A little bit goes a long way. I start at the ends and work my way up. As you see, I'm massaging the product into the hair. And I'm using the raking method, make sure that my fingers glide through the hair. And then I'm using the Clear Protein styling gel. Again, we're gonna rake it through the hair. The second method you could do is using a Denman brush. This brings great definition to the curls as well. I continue raking. Once in a while, I do a combination of the Denman brush and the raking method. I'm finished with the last section. I let her shake her hair and leave the hair like this for 5 till 10 minutes. And then we're gonna start diffusing. The hair is about 80% dry and I just continue blow drying without the diffuser. Of course, we're gonna use the hair pick for volume and I'm gonna do a side part. The final step is using the edge tamer, also by KeraCare, to smooth the edges. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And of course, I hope you learned something new, especially for my hair type 4 followers. I don't know when I'm gonna do a second curl friend video because washing the hair in the sink, diffusing, blow drying, ugh. But it was definitely fun doing this. Let me know in the comments if you would love to see different hairstyle videos on different hair textures. Until the next time, bye!